I don't know about you, my old hose is full of kinks. Come on, you know what I meant.
So, what can help Matt untangle his hose? This is the retractable garden hose reel wall mount. Hi, my name's Gary, and this is my buddy Matt. We're Review to You. We review all the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of the video how you can enter the drawing to get this product. So stay tuned. Watering the lawn or garden is a chore that can often get ruined by a tangled, kinky hose. And no one enjoys coiling the hose back up when you're done. This wall-mounted retractable garden hose solves both those problems instantly. Specs and features. To mount to the wall, you've got a choice of wood screws and mason plugs, so you're good to mount it to almost any surface. On the tap side, there's a nylon hose with leak-proof 3/4-inch brass connectors. On the nozzle side, you've got a 100-foot hose connected to a 7-mode trigger-activated spray nozzle. The hose passes both the 320 psi and the 1000 psi burst pressure test and is guaranteed by a 3-year warranty. Inside the unit itself is a complex aluminum coil spring mechanism that gently rewinds fully unless you've moved the positioning ball in place. This means that when you're done, simply move the positioning ball and the unit will auto-rewind the hose neatly and tangle-free. So what do we like about the retractable garden hose reel wall mount? At the end of the day, this product saves me time. Time uncoiling and recoiling hose that doesn't want to behave. Time untangling those kinks that come with going around tight corners. Time that's better spent looking after my hose and other garden tools. So, what's the downside? As this whole unit is fixed, if the hose ever busts a leak, you're not going to be able to repair it. You're kind of forced to replace the whole thing. What are other people saying about the retractable garden hose reel wall mount? Bob Amos writes, "It's a desert here and watering is a multi-daily operation, so having a self-roll-up hose helps keep the hose from kinking and is a few-second task when putting it away rather than a few minutes. 4 stars. On the opposite side of the fence, Bruce writes, "The retraction works okay, but it isn't super smooth. Maybe my unit is rusty inside. The price would be fine if the quality was better." So, what's the verdict? Rolling up the garden hose after use is one of our least favorite things, and this product solves that headache. We give it a rating of 4 out of 5 stars. And the retractable garden hose reel wall mount could be yours. We'll be giving it away to one lucky subscriber. To be in the drawing to win this amazing product, the rules, as they always are very simple. You gotta make sure you're subscribed to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment in this video with the hidden hashtag from today's review. That's it. I hope you were paying attention, but just in case you missed it the first time, you can always go back and watch again. We'll then select someone at random and announce the winner exactly a week from now. Good luck. If you liked what you saw today and you can't wait to see if you've won, we've included our purchase link in the description below. This has been Review to You, where we review and give to you for free. From Matt and Gary, see you guys next time.